So I'm going to teach you how you can try to repair your microwave magnetron if it is faulty. So you can see this one. Let's test it. Setting your multimeter to diode mode or continuity mode. There should be continuity between the two terminals, you can see, but there should be no continuity or any form of reading between the terminal and the body of the magnetron. So you can see there is a reading between the body and the terminal. So this magnetron is not okay. So we'll start by, what we are going to do is to try to replace this or find a way to stop this short between the body and the terminal. So you can see I've already started removing this using a screwdriver. So okay, I've removed it. This is how it should look inside. So this is what we are going to replace. So here now, this is another one. I got it from this old microwave. So I'm going to take this part, this one here, and change it with this one. This is the one I'm changing. So it took me about 45 minutes and I'm done. I didn't use lead to solder this because if I use ordinary lead, it's going to melt again. So I used something I got from this old switch. Okay, that's what I used to join the terminal again. Okay, so let's test it now. Okay, good. No more continuity. Can you see? No more continuity. It's good now. So I'm going to cover it and we'll test the microwave. So I'm going to test it now. Good. Alright. This is a soup, bitter leaf soup. Let's see, 30 seconds. Good. Can you hear the buzzing? It's working. It's working. It's working. Earlier, it used to do clicking noise, no heating, but now, okay, 30 seconds are in there. Good. Can you see the smoke? Ouch. Ow. It's working. Just 30 seconds. It's working. So the problem now is this one.